Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Well Water Test Kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your family's health, providing you with peace of mind knowing exactly what's in your drinking water. This video will help you choose the right kit to ensure your well water is safe for drinking, cooking, and bathing, covering various testing methods, accuracy levels, and ease of use, empowering you to make informed decisions about your water quality. Number 5. TESPERT Water Test Strips. Worried about the quality of your drinking water? It's easy to test it yourself and ensure your family's safety with this comprehensive kit. This kit provides 125 tests, saving you thousands of dollars compared to individual lab tests. Get accurate results quickly and easily. It tests for 16 key contaminants, including hardness, pH, lead, iron, and more. Get a full picture of your water's quality. With over 30 years of experience, we're a leader in water testing. You can trust it to give you accurate and reliable results. Need help? Our team of water quality experts is available 24/7 via live chat and email to answer your questions and provide support. What we like? It boasts an impressive 16 parameters and 125 strips, giving you extensive testing capabilities. This saves you money compared to individual lab tests. If you need comprehensive water quality analysis and value your time and money, this is the kit for you. What people say. This water testing kit is easy to use and a good value for my money. I was able to quickly test for a wide variety of contaminants such as chlorine, iron, and lead. This water test gives fast results and answered questions about my water. So you have a bunch of water quality tests all bundled into a single test strip. Great. And it comes in a bottle with 125 strips so you can do 125 tests over the next 3 months at a single water source, or test 125 different water sources once each. Very nice. Super easy to use, reading the results is a cakewalk. This is enough to test a lot of water, or a continual monitoring procedure. Number 4. WaterSafe Water Testing Kit. This kit allows you to test your drinking water easily. It provides accurate results from the comfort of your home. It detects 9 key contaminants, including lead and bacteria, ensuring the safety of your drinking water. You'll get peace of mind knowing what's in your water. It's perfect for testing any type of drinking water. Get lab quality results without the lab costs. This kit offers a cost-effective alternative to expensive lab tests. It's easy to use and provides quick results. It uses advanced technology to detect even low levels of contaminants, such as lead and bacteria. It's trusted by professionals worldwide. Universities, governments, and researchers worldwide trust this kit for its accuracy and reliability. You can trust it too. What we like? This kit offers lab-accurate results for 9 key contaminants, including dangerous ones like lead and bacteria. It's incredibly sensitive, detecting even low levels of pollutants. If you prioritize accuracy and detecting even trace amounts of harmful substances, this is the best choice. What people say. Very reliable and efficient kit, allows you to test different sort of components of your water, from lead, bacteria to TDS levels. Each test in a separate packaging with clear instructions for related test. It's pretty simple, really. You get a sample of water directly from your well. Most of the tests are in the form of chemically sensitive patches on strips of paper, like litmus paper, which are dipped in your well water, and react in the presence of heavy metals and other contaminants. With this kit you can quickly reveal the presence of nitrates and nitrites. You will test for possibly dangerous heavy metals, including copper, lead, and iron. A number of tests, most can be completed within 30 minutes but the bacteria test takes 48 hours for results. The tests from my well water came back okay. Number 3. Health Metric Pro Test Strips. These easy-to-use test strips provide accurate water hardness readings. Get quick results for your dishwasher, well, spa, or pool. Simply dip the strip into your water sample and compare it to the color chart. Results are available in seconds. It measures both calcium and magnesium hardness, giving you a complete picture of your water's quality. The range is 0 to 425 ppm. Perfect for maintaining your dishwasher, ensuring your well water is safe, or keeping your spa and pool clean and healthy. This convenient pack of 50 strips ensures you have enough for all your testing needs. It's cost-effective and reliable. Get peace of mind knowing you're using a reliable product to monitor your water hardness. Maintain optimal water quality with ease. What we like. It's a simple and effective way to test water hardness. With 50 strips, it's perfect for regular checks. If you need a quick and easy way to monitor hardness levels, this is the ideal option. What people say. These strips work perfectly for setting your water softener correctly. Simply measure your water hardness at an exterior hose spigot and set your softener to whatever that ends up reading. I tested the product and my water softener 2 ways. While the softener was active, the tester reported that the water was soft, and that my water softener was working properly. I then deactivated my water softener, ran my faucet for about 1 minute, and retested the water. The tester then indicated hard water. The colors on the stick were very easy to compare to the color on the chart that came with the tester. I used these strips to compare the water coming out of my outside spigot non-softened with the water coming out of my water softener softened. I ran the test 3 times and each time, the strip colors were almost indistinguishable from each other. The water coming out of the water softener was very foamy, whereas the water from the spigot was not, indicating that the water softener is working. Number 2. Umlecoa 16-in-1 Water Test Kit. This kit allows you to easily test your water for 16 different parameters, ensuring the safety and quality of your drinking water, pool, or spa. Simply dip the test strip into the water, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and compare the color to the chart. Get accurate results with up to 99% accuracy, quickly and easily. It's perfect for testing various water sources, from drinking water to pools, hot tubs, and even industrial wastewater. Keep your family safe with accurate water quality testing. The kit includes 125 test strips and a convenient test tube. It's ready to use, making water quality testing simple and accessible from the comfort of your home. We maintain strict quality control to ensure accurate and reliable results every time. Contact our 24/7 customer support if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. This kit provides 16 parameters of testing with 125 strips, making it a cost-effective solution for frequent testing. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you want a user-friendly kit with comprehensive testing capabilities, this is a great choice. What people say. This kit works very well to determine water perimeter and easy to read so you know what adjustments need to be made to keep fish healthy and safe. Test strips are great and easy to use. Tested with regular tap water also just to make sure. Was not disappointed. Works great for testing aquarium water levels. Very easy to use, just dip in the water for 2 seconds and put strip against bottle to check levels. You'll receive a whole lot so it's extremely reasonably priced. Number 1. Qucship 17-in-1 Water Test Kit. This comprehensive kit allows you to test your water for 17 different parameters, ensuring the safety and purity of your drinking water. It's perfect for home use, providing peace of mind for you and your family. It detects important elements such as pH, hardness, lead, iron, mercury, and coliform bacteria. This kit gives you a detailed picture of your water's quality. Use it to test drinking water, well water, swimming pools, aquariums, spas, virtually any water source. It's a versatile tool for various applications. The kit includes 100 test strips, conveniently packaged in airtight bags to maintain their effectiveness. A test tube and dropper are also provided for easy and accurate sampling. Get lab-quality results in seconds with this simple 3-step process. It also includes E. coli test powder to detect harmful bacteria. Ensure the safety of your water supply with this affordable and reliable kit. Give yourself and your loved ones the gift of clean, healthy water. What we like. It offers a comprehensive 17-parameter test, including a crucial E. coli test, and comes with 100 strips. It's designed for peace of mind and ensures the safety of your family. If you want a thorough test, including bacterial contamination, this kit is for you. What people say. The test strips show what minerals you have in your water. The jars have the test on them. And it just shows if it's fine, yellow, or detected bacteria, green. The instructions were easy to follow. It is easy to use and straightforward to read the results. We can also carry the test kit when traveling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.